Hey everyone, want to unlock Free Now app coupon codes for free rides or discounts? Let me guide you step by step. Head to easecoupon.co/now or simply scan the QR code displayed on the screen to get started. First, enter your email address. This ensures the coupon code will be sent directly to you. I'm doing it now, it's super quick. Next, select your device, iOS or Android. Since I'm on Android, I'll pick that and click Continue. The system will generate your Free Now coupon code. To verify you're not a bot but a real human, you'll need to download 2 free apps from the Google Play Store. These apps are secure, free, and published by reputable developers with millions of users. After downloading, open and use each app for about a minute. Some apps might ask you to register or even reach a certain level in a game, like level 9 or 10. Completing this step is essential to get your coupon code. Let me fast forward with some background music while I finish up. Done. Let's refresh my inbox. And there it is, my Free Now app coupon code. Time to enjoy discounted rides. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more free coupon tips. Safe travels.